Good morning and praise the Lord to the Reed Temple family. This is a glorious occasion, 30 years. God bless you, Dr. Washington, and to your family. God has certainly been good to you. I heard a little proverb that goes something like this: the wealth of a man is in his work, and certainly your works speak for you. I am so honored to know you, sir, and to know that you are one of God's generals. You deserve to be celebrated for 30 years of service, 3 campuses, and constantly growing. A man that is of strategic warfare, a man that is full of strength, and a man that has substance. That's how God has used you in the Washington Metroplex of the nation's capital. Again, I say to the Reed Temple Nation, God bless you all, and certainly congratulations, Dr. Washington. This is Wanda Frazier Parker from Truth Tabernacle Ministries, North Carolina.